Good morning. This is the second session of tenses. In this session, I want to explain you the first part of sentence is subject. I explained some about the subject in the last class. So I want to explain the remaining thing about the subject in this class. Next one is the definition is subject. The definition of subject is doer of an action in the sentence is called subject. Okay, and every subject must be one of three persons. Every subject, every sentence has subject, and every subject must belong to one of the three persons. Persons are three persons are first person, second person, and third person. First person, second person, and third person. Every person has one definition. Speaking is called first person. Speaking is called first person. Speaking to is called second person. Speaking about is called third person. Speaking to and speaking about. Speaking is first person. So speaking, I am speaking so that I am the first person. I am speaking to you so that you are called second person. Speaking about what tenses is called third person. This is the definition of first person, second person, and third person. Speaking to, speaking about. We leave these things, and I will give you what is that. Definitions of first person, second person, and third person. First person singular is I, plural is you. Second person singular you and plural you. Third person all these things. Why should we call first person I as a first person singular, we as a first person plural? Okay, and why should we call you as a first person or second person singular and plural? Why don't you call other things as a first person singulars? Okay, there is a reason to call only I as a first person singular, because always we take first priority to ourselves. Okay, I give first priority to myself. After me, anyone. So that I is always first priority. Always is the first person. I am the great. I am the great, not any other person. Okay, so if you want to say he is great, in your heart you feel something. Okay, you may have a little hesitation to say is a great. So that in any occasion we are taking first priority. I am taking first priority and you are taking your first priority. Okay, only I is called first person singular, and we means here. In we means menu manamu. In we you are there. Is it clear? ఈ మనం అనేది గ్రూప్లో ఎవరున్నా నేను కూడా ఉన్నాను. So that here also taking which first priority to whom? We all ourselves only. Is it clear or not, ma? Okay, here we are taking first priority so that I is a first person and we is a first person plural. Okay, and second priority, after taking first priority to yourself or giving first priority to yourself, you are giving a second priority to our close relatives, close friends and close relatives are your parents. So that second priority goes to some other else. Those things are called you as a second person singular and plural. Second person singular and plural. And third person except first person and except the second person, remaining all things are third person. Remaining all things come under what is the third person. We are saying he, see, it. In saying he, see, it, there is a intention. And there is a meaning. Is it clear? Here there are only three persons. So that first person is I, me, second person you, remaining all are third persons. Here he refers what is that masculine genders, all masculine gender. She refers all feminine gender. It refers all neuter gender, all neuter gender. Don't think only is, it or third person singulars. Is, it or third person singular. He refers all what is that male genders except I, except you, except we, and except you. Any singular is called third person singular. Any singular is called what is the third person singular. Okay. Here, see, when there is a I, that is called the first person singular, and there is a I is called, when there is a I in place of subject, it is called first person singular. What is that? Except I, that is not first person singular. For example, my name is Vasant. So Vasant is a teacher. Vasant is not first person singular. Okay, but I am a teacher. Here I is the first person singular. A is the first person singular. You get my point? Only I is called first person singular. Only we is called first person plural. First person plural. Is it clear now? In putting these three things, he refers masculine gender, she refers feminine gender, and it refers neuter gender. Neuter gender. Don't think only these three things are the third person singulars. And come here. Except I, V, U, any plural is third person singular. Third person plural. Except I, V, except means not including what is that I, V, U, any singular is called third person singular. Not including I, V, U, any plural is called third person plural. Third person plural. Third person plural. So here they refers what is that? What they in Telugu varu avi. They refers people, animals. They refers living things and non-living things. Living things and non-living things. Is it clear now? So this is the table. You have to learn it. Don't by heart. You have to know what is that by analyzing our mind. You have to keep it in our mind. Why should we call I as a first person singular? Because I am taking first priority to myself. So I will clarify it. When you, if you get a chocolate, a big chocolate, a dairy milk, or a pack of chocolates, so if you eat yourself or you are asking somebody else to eat, and on seeing the pack of chocolates or the cover of chocolates, you ready to eat how much you eat, you can eat. Is it clear? మనం చూడగానే ఎంత తింటామో అన్ని తినేస్తాం. If you can't eat anything else, what will happen? You call or you remember your friends. You are giving first priority to whom here? Your friends. At first priority, you after what is that? Finding a cover of chocolates, you take first priority. So I take first priority. Here I is called first person singular. After eating so many types of chocolates, when you can't eat further, you remember your friends. Your friends is called second person. And you and your friend eat chocolates, but you can't complete the chocolates in the cover. Then you call remaining all in the class. Remaining all in the class. Here, then all people come, all students come and eat all the chocolates. Here, third priority you are giving to rest of the persons in the class. Here, first priority taken by me, so that it is a first person singular. Second priority is taken by my close friends, that is called second person. And third priority is given to rest of people in the class, so that is called third person. Is it clear now? First priority తీసుకుంటే దాని ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ సింగులర్ అంటారు. సెకండ్ priority తీసుకుంటే సెకండ్ పర్సన్ అంటారు. థర్డ్ priority ఎవరైనా చేస్తే వాళ్ళందరినీ థర్డ్ పర్సన్ అంటారు. If there is no fourth person to divide the third person. So that third person is the last. Third person is the last. Is it clear? Come to the examples now. I, we, you. So come to the example. I am a hero. What is the subject here? I. Which person it is? First person singular, because there is I. So you have to remember in your mind. You have to remember carefully. Only I is first person singular, not any other thing. So I am a hero. I is the first person singular. We are friends. Here we is the first person plural. We is the first person plural. And you had a bike now. You is called a second person singular or plural. Singular or plural. Whether you in the sentence is singular or plural depends on object. When the object is plural, that is the you is plural. When the object is singular, you is singular. You is a singular. So you had a bike. You had a bike means bike is singular, so that you is only one singular. You had a bike. Here you is called second person singular. Here Ram will meet you. Ram is subject. Ram is subject. In place of the subject there is no I, there is no we, there is no you. So it is called what is that third person. It comes under what is the third person. Ram is singular or plural. It's a singular, so the third person singular. Is it clear? Except I, we, you, any singular is third person. You have to remember it. Okay. Only Ram is called third person singular. And here next one, Gandhi's is house. What is the subject here? Gandhi's is house. Okay. In place of subject there is no I, there is no we, there is no you. So it is a singular, so that it comes under third person singular. Third person singular. Okay. Next one. My brother hates eating sweets. My brother hates eating sweets. So my brother, which person here? Don't think there is a my, so that it is a first person. Okay, it is not first person. It is not a first person. What is the first person? Only I is first person. Only we is first person plural, not any other thing. Here my brother, not you, your brother. So that it comes under which person? Third person. My brother refers what is that he. He refers what is that male. My brother is male, so that it is third person singular. Next one, your friend. Only you is called second person singular or plural, not your friend, not your friend. Here your friend comes into what is that third person singular. Third person singular. Or your friends come here, plural. It is a third person plural. Friends plural. Friends plural, so that it is a third person plural. Third person plural. Is it clear, ma? So it is a third person plural. Third person PP. It is a third person PS. Third person PS. Third person PS. Second person singular. First person PP. First person singular. First person singular. So this is the table, ma. You don't by heart it, but you have to keep it in your memory. Keep it in your memory. So you should learn it very carefully. It is very, very important. When you know this table, what is that? Clearly, half of English grammar is in your hands. So that you have to learn it. So it is not so difficult. Just one thing. What is the first person singular? Only I, not any other things. Even your name is not first person singular. Only I is called first person singular. Only we is called first person plural. Not our friends, not our college rooms, not our colleagues. Here you is called first person singular second person singular or plural. Not your books, not your chocolates, not your pens. Except I, we, you. Third person what is that? Except I, we, you. I tappa, we tappa, you tappa, ఏదైనా సింగులర్ అయితే దాన్ని ఏమంటారు? థర్డ్ పర్సన్ సింగులర్. ఇట్ ఈస్ సింగులర్, థర్డ్ పర్సన్ సింగులర్. Except IVU, any plural is called third person plural. Third person plural. The reason for using EC in place of third person singular in any grammar books is E refers masculine gender. U refers masculine gender, and C refers what is he refers masculine gender, C refers feminine gender, it refers neutral gender. Bird, it is not first person singular, it is a third person plural, but because it refers, and the desktop, it, okay, here they refers plural masculine, singular masculine, and plural neuter, plural masculine, plural feminine, and plural neuter gender. This is the table. You have to learn it. In the next class, we will explain you the remaining two parts. Thank you very much.